All right, we're going to graph an inequality, and so you could graph this by getting y by itself, or you could graph it by doing the intercept method. When y is not by itself, I like doing the intercept method. I'll be a salesman for the intercept method today. So how does the intercept method work? You find the x and the y intercept. You just need 2 points. So to find the x-intercept, when I'm on the x-axis, what's y always when I'm on the x-axis? Y is always what? 0. Good. So to find the x-intercept, you make y equal 0. So like 2x minus. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going too fast, I'm sorry. You want to graph this like a line, and I'm going to treat it like equals. I'll deal with the inequality later. So I make that 0, that goes away. So 2x equals 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2. The x-intercept is 3. So that means it crosses the x-axis at 3. So to find the x-intercept, you make y equals 0. You can get y by itself and do slope-intercept, but that's a little bit more time. Okay. Okay. Take a wild guess. How do you think I find the y-intercept? Good. Make x equal 0. So 2 times 0 minus 3y equals 6. That goes away. Divide by -3, divide by -3. The y-intercept is equal to -2. Okay. All right. Next thing we ask, is it a solid line or a dashed line? Okay, you'll probably remember this. This one is a solid line because of the equal to. So if it's equal to, it's solid because that implies when it's equal to, it implies it's including every point on that line. So I'm going to connect these with a solid line. So connect those to the solid line. Okay. Now, the last step is to determine where to shade. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a point, not on this line. What's the easiest coordinate in the whole coordinate plane to work with? That's 0, 0. So pick a point. I'm going to pick 0, 0. And you're going to plug it into the inequality for x and y. So 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 is greater than or equal to 6. Okay. Uh-oh. So that becomes 0. Is 0 greater than 6? Is that true or false? False. So if it's false, you shade away from 0, 0. If it's true, you shade towards the point that you were you're plugging in. So if it's true, you'd shade towards 0, 0. If it's false, you shade away from 0,